So I bought my car a Christmas gift. If you read the title, you obviously know what this is, but if you're not sure, check it out. I have this big box from ECS Tuning. Yes. And we're gonna open this thing up and see what's inside. I'm not sure if you can see this. Here is how they are packaged, and we're gonna pull them out now. Yep, I bought LCI Blacklines, aka the late model European-spec taillights for my 135i. Check these things out. These European-spec OEM taillights, aka LCI Blacklines, are a pretty cheap upgrade that look way cooler than stock. And because it's OEM, it's actually plug and play. So let's go install these and see how they look. These look so sick. Alright, so I have the tools I think we're gonna need. 8mm socket, ratchet, and a trim tool or flathead screwdriver. Not sponsored, no affiliation. So here is the back panel on the taillight. I think it just pops off. Yeah, it just pops off. Hopefully you can see that at all. Sorry, it's dark. Pops out like that. Okay, so the connector is off. Now I see that there are mounting screws. So let's figure out how to take this trim piece off so we can reach those. All right, hopefully you can see I've moved the light a little bit. So first up, there is a plastic tab here. So a trim removal tool. Out. Alright, let's see if we can pull this trim back. Yeah, alright, removing that tab gives us enough clearance to reach back here. And now I'm going to pull the camera up. Here are the three 8mm screws, 1, 2, and 3. We should take those out and the taillight should pop right out. Oh, and I see we have this other harness back here. All right, so I figured out how to get the back connector, this guy out. Let me pull it out. The tab to release it is on the very bottom. I'm not sure why you can see that, but it's way down there. Just pinch your finger up like that, and it will slide out. So now all I need to do is remove these 8mm hexes, and then the taillight should be free. Now it should just be a matter of removing these 8mm bolts and then taking the taillight out. Alright, that's the second one out. Alright, hopefully that works. Alright, this is the last 8mm bolt. Then the taillights are free. Alright, that's the last one. We should be able to just pull the taillights out. Okay. So basically, boom, taillight is out. Let me grab the left side LCI Blackline, reinstall it, and do a cool 50-50 shot. Alright, so it's really dark, but here is the left side LCI Blackline taillight. Here's what the car looks like without taillights. Let's reinstall it. Alright, so there is a piece of weather stripping here on the trunk and a piece of weather stripping on the taillight. You have to make sure that the weather stripping on the taillight kind of slides up underneath the weather stripping on the body of the car. Just look at the other side as a good point of reference. Alright, taillight on, titles. Alright. So the 3 nuts are back on. Let's plug the harnesses. There are the connectors back in. 1, 2. All right, so both connectors are plugged back in. Let's tighten up the 3 bolts or nuts, and then we're done.
Yo, them just look clean, my guy.
This guy just said I paid for OEM reps. I'm kind of triggered right now how expensive these were. Don't you dare call these reps! These are straight from Germany, fool. All right, so the installation is done. Let's pull the camera off the car and take a look. Let me close the trunk so it's full effect. All right. That's the LCI Blackline. That is the base pre-LCI taillight. Yes. Stop for a photo op. All right, so the lights are turned on right now. Here is the difference. This is the LCI Blackline, and that's the pre-LCI taillight. Oh shit. Look, I dropped this and I thought it went down here into the void, but the trunk liner caught it right here on the edge. Oh, good luck. Alright, let's install the passenger side Blackline. Okay, job done. LCI Blackline taillights installed. Sick. push it all the way to the firewall.